Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this video we will teach you how to create skin texture in Photoshop. Let's begin the video. Let's start. Sometimes when you apply a large number of filters to a picture, the skin texture may not be clear visible. This video will guide you how to create texture on your picture. To start, open a new tab in Photoshop and dimension of 300 by 300, pixel resolution 72 and color depth gray color. Choose a gray color and create. Next, navigate the filter menu and select the filter gallery. You will see a screen with various options like this. Click on texture and fill in the following fields. Look, select textures. You see these fields. Fill the following fields. Select the texture category as a sandstone. Set the scale to 100. Adjust the relief to 10. Match the lighting of your picture. For instance, if the light in your picture is coming from the top left, adjust it accordingly. Once you are done, click OK. Select the light, top left light. Make sure this is like for your picture. Now go to edit menu and click a define pattern like this. Give your pattern a name and click OK. See name and OK. Next, adjust the opacity of the texture. You can adjust the opacity of these textures if you want. If you have a picture of lady or a male, you can apply the texture on it. In my case, I have a picture of lady. This is a rectangular texture. You can apply on a greater screen. Automatically it adjusts the spaces. Look. I can apply on it also. I have one more picture. Now I can apply on this screen. I choose another picture. Like this. You see light come from top left side. Apply texture on it. Click on adjustment. You can blend it in soft light. This is a texture. Make a further adjustment based on a picture you have. Make scale down or up. You can adjust the scale of texture. This is a scale of texture like say OK. Understand? Now choose the blending mode, soft light of texture. Just blend to the picture. I choose more, but I have a soft light. You see the texture of face. Make the scale down. Make further adjustment based on the picture you have. If it is a perfect, then fine, ready to go. Head back to the filter menu and select the liquify. Minimize like this, then you can see. Use the brush tool, make necessary adjustment. First you select this brush, make adjustment. Fine tune of blending option. Select brush and make necessary adjustment like this on a face, on a head, hand, neck. This is basically blending mode. You can blend the texture. You can see the pores of the face, pores on a face. In this brush, we can adjust the pores. You can adjust pores, like minimize the pores. Maybe this is fine. Fine tune the blending option and texture of the skin to achieve a smooth and clear skin. This is a blending mode, like you can adjust say opacity, adjust the black shades, adjust white shades. If the picture is look like you want the finish the adjustment mode, blending adjustment mode, and say OK. You can see the picture. Sometimes when you apply a large number of filters to the picture, the skin texture may not be clearly visible. This video helps you overcome that challenge and create the texture on the pictures. You can adjust the pictures, smoothness of pictures. Remember to use the brush tool to enhance the smoothness and quality of the work. If the quality of work come out, then say OK and export the image. This is brush tool. You can apply the brushes for the smoothness on a picture. This is a final result. You see, after moving the brush tool, apply the brush tool, and after brush tool it is a final picture. You see, this is not a difficult task. This is a very easy task. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.